A wonder creation by founder of EOS Dan Larimer and Brendan Bloomer in 2017, EOS has taken care of the steady ascent popular by the financial backers. The computerized guide cut by EOS.io for its clients has placed the power in the possession of financial backers, broadening the liquidity potential. The result of mechanical upgradation regarding thinking, planning, and conceptualizing has been incredible, particularly for digital currencies like EOS. Before we dive into the EOS cost expectation, let us view a portion of the interesting highlights of EOS-like power-up model is being created by EOS convention to deal with all exchange charges through a one-time installment. The primary round of initial coin offering, drifted by EOS in June 2017, reported huge increases are bringing $185 million up in a range of 5 days, offering 200 million tokens, which were 20% of the complete issuance. This interesting element of the EOS.io blockchain stage implies that data connected with exchanges will in general get accumulated independently and not among the other data on a similar block, subsequently working with remarkable speed of exchanges timing 2 million exchanges each second. EOS Global is a current EOS partners who are building creative blockchain projects. The specialized examination of this sort of blockchain innovation in light of blockchain convention and a shrewd agreement will go about as a critical power promoter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installments. Going about as an impetus to empower quick-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment environment, EOS will get extremist change finance, particularly in decentralized applications. As far as cost pattern, EOS was exchanging areas of strength for with energy since the year starts. Be that as it may, it confronted slight in the middle of between bullish convention alongside other major altcoins of the crypto market. As per the new cost situation, the EOS coin could proceed with its bullish convention with instability. EOS price analysis by the experts. Despite the fact that put in an exceptionally unstable crypto market, positive variables like tight security conventions in view of blockchain and a high-level calculation assume a crucial part in impacting long-haul interest in EOS. The essential target of the EOS group has been to guarantee straightforwardness and, simultaneously, protection. Allow us to hear what specialists make as EOS cost forecasts. A ton of EOS blockchain-based projects are in the pipeline anticipating discharge. Right from idea stage to testing stage, and before the year's over, a ton of new blockchain undertakings would have been finished. Thus, the EOS conjecture the cost to wait around $106.77 by 2025. EOS is a brave undertaking and one of the quickly developing section in impending years. It is a greater number of bulls than bears. It could expand up to $14 toward the finish of 2025. As indicated by the EOS coin cost expectation, it might exchange around $6.93 throughout the following 5 years. As indicated by long figure, the EOS conjecture toward the finish of 2024 is normal around $36. The ongoing cost of EOS is around $2.86 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $362,876,958. EOS is imperceptibly somewhere near 0.30% as of now, with a market cap of $2,795,093,277 and live market cap, live EOS value today or cost of EOS today, USD, can be eluded from the above rundown table. In earlier year February, the EOS swapping scale equivalent to 0.35 EOSs for a dollar. As indicated by EOS cost figure, the symbolic cost is exchanging over its help zone with a moderate exchanging volume, generally keeping a low exchanging movement may not incline toward the EOS token as new coins are essentially added to the course, weakening the stock. EOS price prediction 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for digital money markets, cost expectation for 2022 conjecture the badge of EOS is good to go to certify areas of strength for it in the digital money market, crossing all boundaries scaling at a greatest cost of $4. EOS forecasts done by specialists gauge the symbolic will exchange above least cost of $3.50. In light of transient EOS expectations, the cost is probably going to drift around $3.60 by the start of July 2022, and EOS cost expectation for the year expects it can ascend to $3.90 by year-end. EOS gauge appears to be hopeful till now. EOS price prediction 2023. A quick, solid organization can assist EOS with gain a lot greater cost. The EOS expectation, 2023, states the likelihood that the EOS digital money will be $4.30 per coin on a normal. The greatest cost, least cost may be $4.80 and $3.90 separately. On the off chance that the bull run for utilitarian crypto go on into long-term end, EOS estimate uncovers the cost might try and see a worldview rush. EOS price prediction 2024. There are many hypotheses done by EOS cost conjecture pushing ahead for EOS, particularly saving in context of EOS expectations for the mechanical declarations and progress the corporate has plans on. There are presumptions its cost might heighten. The EOS expectation for 2024 is around $5.20 with greatest value ascending to $6. The predictable least cost is supposed to be $4.50 which is 56% more than the ongoing cost. The blessing done by significantly security and versatility highlights to make best delegated verification of stake blockchains with energizing special endeavors might build EOS cost by that much in such a short measure of time. EOS price prediction 2025. EOS drives zeroing in on training, effort, and developments might take the most extreme cost of a calculable degree of $6.80 according to our EOS expectation. On a drawn-out situation going ahead in 2025, EOS estimate demonstrates the EOS could quit slacking with other crypto coins to show up at an EOS cost of $6.30, making it a commendable speculation. While the normal least cost will be $5.20 in last part of 2025. Check here are other digital currency cost forecasts. Our EOS figure anticipate that EOS should become well-known digital currencies in a single year. Thinking about the EOS's exhibition till now. EOS price prediction 2026. As per market EOS cost forecasts, EOS reflects range-bound exchanging areas of strength forward energy. Regardless of the new fall, the coin starts recuperation and recovers the $10 EOS cost mark. Assuming that all markets turn positive, EOS conjecture guesses that this advanced resource is set to break all obstructions and cost expectation for 2026 and perform richly, scaling the top as aforementioned. Supported by vigorous savvy contracts, EOS could undoubtedly contact a typical cost of $6.01 before the year's over 2026. EOS cost gauge predicts the assessed least